Hello viewers, let's talk about is and are. These sentences are tricky. Let's see how we can use them to fill up the gaps. Okay, is and are verbs. This is a singular verb, while this is a plural verb. Now, is used in a sentence when the keyword is a singular noun or pronoun. Okay, it is also used when the keyword is a collective noun. For are, it is used when the keyword is a plural noun or pronoun. Okay, so let's see how we can use them to fill up these gaps to complete these tricky sentences. The team blank playing well today. The keyword here is team. Now, team is a collective noun. So every collective noun goes with the singular verb is. So we write is. The team is playing well today. Mathematics blank my favorite subject. The keyword here is mathematics. Now, even as we have letter S here, that doesn't make it plural. Mathematics is a single subject, so we use the singular verb is. Mathematics is my favorite subject. Bread and butter blank my breakfast. This is tricky because bread is an item, butter is another item on its own, but in this sentence, both of them are used as one. Okay, bread and butter join together to form one meal, which is taken as breakfast. So we refer to them as one because they combine to form a meal. So we use the singular verb is. Bread and butter is my breakfast. Each of the boys blank ready for school. The key word here is not boys. Of course, boys is a plural noun because of this letter S, but our focus in this sentence should be each. Each is a pronoun and it is singular. Okay, now let's say the boys here are 3 persons. Okay, let's say this is the first boy, the second boy, and the third boy. Now, what each does here is that it refers to them as individuals, meaning that this one is ready for school, this one is ready for school, and this one also is ready for school. So each refers to them as individuals that make up this. So we use is for it, the singular verb, because it is singular. Each of the boys is ready for school. That means we are talking about them as individuals. Okay, the news blank surprising. Now this is our keyword, news. News is always a singular form. Okay, there's nothing like newses, so it is singular no matter the news. It is singular. We use the singular verb for it. The news is surprising. Remember, if you detach this S from it, it becomes new and it changes to adjective. All right. So we're not talking about the adjective. We're talking about the noun, which always takes S. News has to do with information. All right. The news is surprising. She blank cooking. This is a simple one. She is a singular pronoun, so we use is. This is the only simple sentence here. Now, everybody blank singing. Everybody is a pronoun and it refers to individuals. Okay, so it is singular. For that reason, we use is. Everybody is singing. It refers to the individuals that are singing. All right. The crowd blank watching. I'll leave this one for you to answer in the comment section. Remember, the keyword here is crowd. The crowd is watching or the crowd are watching. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.